Hi, my name is Rain Spencer, and I'll be doing this presentation on Dr. Benjamin Spock and his take on parenting. For starters, who is Benjamin Spock? He was born May 2nd, 1903 in New Haven, Connecticut, to a conservative household. Some of his educational background includes private elementary and secondary schooling, medical school at Yale University. He did his first residency in pediatrics at New York Nursery and Children's Hospital. He did his second residency in psychiatry, also at New York Nursery and Children's Hospital. He later went on to enlist in the Navy and became a medical officer, where he wrote one of his most famous books, Dr. Spock's Baby and Child Care, which was published in 1946. This book gave tips to parents of baby boomers on trusting their instincts. At the time, doctors were advising parents on keeping their children on strict sleeping and eating schedules, while also telling them that showing affection and picking their child up too often would teach them to be less independent as they grow older. However, Spock believed that it was okay to listen to your child's needs and give your child the love and affection that they desire. Spock based his views off Freudian theories with a combination of a strict upbringing and education history that had an effect on his theories about parenting. Spock was surrounded by controversy. He even contradicted some of his very own theories. For example, at first he was an advocate for circumcision, but later on changed his views. After some education, he said that circumcision led to serious pain and trauma in males. Some of his theories were discredited later on by doctors who did research on children who slept on their bellies. Spock believed that children benefited from sleeping on their bellies because it would prevent them from vomiting in their sleep. These doctors actually found that sleeping on their bellies would cause SIDS, sudden infant death syndrome. Parents were also outraged by his view on affection. They believed that this caused out-of-control children and the production of instant gratification that we see often in today's society. This controversy led to Spock's revision of baby and child care. In this new book, he wrote about enforcing discipline, but also showing your children love and support. Classroom connection. This theory can be applied to the classroom because teachers need to find a balance of discipline, support, and care. Teachers use classroom management styles to keep children focused and engaged while implementing disciplinary actions when students are not. Teachers also use their intuition and observation to design lessons towards a student's needs. Here is my reference page. Thank you for watching.